Squatch, or hello everyone, welcome to Outdoors in the Squatch. Something a little bit different today. We're gonna just come out here and do some stuff in real time. First thing I'm gonna do is, if you can see this birch tree right in front of me here, as you can see, part of it's dead and fallen. Windstorm about a month ago blew that down. So I'm just gonna hop out with a chainsaw and drop that real quick, and then we're gonna move on. I've got some trees I wanna pull, so why don't you folks just hang tight here real quick. I'll hop out and take care of that, and I will be right back. You know, before I have a brilliant idea like this, maybe I should have warmed my saw up. Oh boy. Oh, she's cold. Ooh. Quick and simple, huh? Oh boy. Oh, I'm not gonna chop that up right now. My nephew does some kind of, he was looking for some white birch to do some projects with, so we'll go ahead and leave that for him. Get some lights on, it's getting dark quick. Alrighty then. So if you follow along, you saw a recent video my buddy Chris came out. We widened this section through here. I'm gonna grade this thing probably this coming week. I'm gonna have a load of sand brought in. Oh, this is rough. I'm gonna have a semi-truck of sand come in, or at least a triaxle probably of sand. I grabbed a couple, I had a dump trailer last week. I grabbed a couple loads real quick because it was convenient, but it's not gonna be enough. So Chris and I, when we were doing that, we stopped right in here. And I still have a couple of trees that need to come out. I noticed, and I come out here to pull them the other day. And I can tell you, these guys right here did not want to come out of the ground. So I don't know. I was back here just doing some work. I wasn't filming, just having some fun, and they didn't want to come out. I didn't have time to mess with it. Yeah, let's see. Might try getting them one at a time here. No, man, they are in the ground and they are not very big. The same thing I dealt with before. Come on. Huh? All right, let's see. There we go. We got them. I think we got them both. I had started a little pile right over here to dump them. When Chris and I are working, these small little guys. So we'll just go ahead and throw these down here. Man, I tell you, that one don't want to come off. We're going to have to back up, I think. Get them laid out better than what I have them. Maybe grab again here. Let me back up and show you the root system on these little guys. Look at that, huh? Hopefully you can see them. You know what else you see? My camera dangling down. Good grief. Hang on. We gotta fix that. That's a problem. Apparently I didn't set that up very well. Give me 2 seconds here, folks. That's my cheater camera. It faces the down on top of the tree pillar, and it is exactly what allows me to kind of use this thing as a pretty precision instrument, right? Because I can really see what I'm doing. I don't think I gave it enough slack in the cable, so this will work better. Here we go. We're just gonna dump these off here tonight. There it is. And now last thing we're gonna do is this cherry tree up here, and I'm probably going to turn the tractor around. Hopefully you can see it. It's has the S on it up here for save. The reason why that S is on there for save is I am thinking about getting an Alaskan chainsaw mill, or whatever they call them, just a chainsaw mill, and saving some of these straight cherries. That one's not super big. I'm gonna, if I had to guess, maybe 10 inches in diameter. But I'm looking to get some posts out of it for our future home build, maybe. We'll see. I'm gonna build some outside structures. It'd be perfect for that. Hey, if it turns out good, who knows where I'll put it, right? So we're going to just uproot this cherry here, hopefully. All of you can see it. It's a pretty good sized tree. So one directly in front of us here. First one left of the drive, right? It's fairly tall, fairly big tree. We'll see what we can do. Hopefully we can hit it up high like always and drive it forward, and we're gonna find out. like I said, some of these trees, the root system's incredible. Other trees, man, the ones you think actually sometimes they're gonna be the worst, end up being the easiest. So I don't know. So I will use the tree puller here, hopefully, to just nudge it and see what it wants to do. If it starts moving easily, I'll try to guide it and direct it off to the side. Gotta be careful. The reason why I came at it this way, yeah, it's pushing right over, folks. Look at this. Be back up and I'll see if you can, you see the ground there where the roots are coming up or not. Kind of fun. You can see it, it's bulging up there. So we'll go back after it. We're gonna hit a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower. And just see. We could force it down. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Laid her right down, right in the middle of the trail. Oh boy. Now the trick of it is, so you can see the root system laying there, right? Now we're gonna try to get just up over top of that with a tree puller and lay her out like this. This is how I dumped my camera the last time, but hopefully I can get in here. It's about as far forward as I can get, so we get her down as far onto that trunk as we can. And we'll go ahead and clamp this thing up and we'll just see. Oh, well, we got it. Now, whether or not we can get it up off the ground, I don't know. That's a lot of tree. Oh, that is a lot of tree. It ain't liking that at all. So, not quite wanting to curl it. That's okay. We're gonna, you know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna see if I cannot. Oh boy, yeah, that's. It's everything the loader wants. We're gonna lower it back down. There we go. We got it just up off the ground there. I'm gonna just try to drive it forward. Unfortunately, you're probably not gonna be able to see it. Oh boy. I wish you could, but I'm just gonna try to steer it down the drive here best I can. And this is about where it ends. There's no way. There's no way. I'll bump it in that tree and see if I can square it up. Oh, if you can see off in the distance the pile of sand I picked up. We'll try this again. So a big part of the problem is I can't get it up super tight to the tree puller here. And the other part of it is cherry's heavy. This is a pretty big tree. There we go. We got it rolling now, folks. I want to try to get it over near my brush pile over here. Is where I want to go with it. Unfortunately, I'm confident I'm not probably going to make the corner of the turn with it. But I'll get it close. And then likely tomorrow I'll come out with my chainsaw and snip the top of it off. You see, and this is a problem. I don't know. Maybe I'm the only idiot that does this, but I say I can't do something, then I look at it, I think maybe I can, and it'll be just a colossal waste of time. So we're gonna go ahead and just drop it. And then you can see where we're at. That's kind of it for tonight. Quick little 15-minute video. But I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoy it. It was fun. So we cut a tree, ripped 3 little trees out of the ground here. So, not a bad gig for 15 minutes. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Hope you'll come back for the next one. And until then, you stay happy out there.